Aya Samuel, yung first choice talaga namin is Samuel. It means God has heard. Kasi since bata ako, gusto ko talaga ng baby girl. Pero yung firstborn ko is a boy. Tapos kinalimutan ko na magkaroon ng second child. So Samuel is actually an unexpected blessing. Kaya Samuel. And Aya, kasi it means ruler. So gusto ko siya maging magaling na ruler or leader someday.
Like I finally found my one in a million. I could jump through the ceiling. 'Cause I've never been so sure it's the real thing. Must be love. Must be love. Got me talking all night.
Naman ni Sammy from me. Siguro, di ko alam, mas maraming nagsasabing hawig ko siya nung una. Pero sabi, physically. Pero lumalabas na yung yung parang totoong itsura niya. Sabi, nagtatransform na daw into mommy na daw, si Bella na daw. Kala namin nung una, wala lang na babe, pero pag andyan na siya naglaro, sobrang likot na.
I think it's love that I'm feeling. Like I finally found my one in a million. I could jump.
Ami, sana ikaw ay maging lumaking may takot sa Diyos, maging matalino, mabait, at laging susunod kay Mami at saka kay Daddy, at saka always love God first. Kasi if you love God, everything will follow.
Be a good girl, ayun, may takot sa Diyos, may takot sa Diyos, maging masunod sa aming dalawa ni Mami, at sa mga nakakatanda, maging magalang at lumaking maayos yung pangangatawan. Ayun lang.
I wake up in